Welcome to the video presentation of the game Dominion, a project made by Group 17 of distributed and outsourced software engineering projects. This is the main window of the application. On top left, we have two menu items. On Game, the buttons of the main windows are reflected. Also, we have an exit. The second item, called Help, has three buttons. About, with the credits of the game, creators and the context in which was developed. Rules, with the rules of Dominion in case of the users doesn't know how to play the game. And Help, with a web reference that can clarify other issues that the user may have. In the main menu, we can choose between single player or multiplayer to play with your friends. The single player mode isn't ready yet because we don't have an artificial intelligence. If you want to insist on playing a single player game, click on New Game. Settings screen will be shown to set the game options in user preference, like the player name, the cards available, between others. But when you click, the OK message will appear to say that functionality is not ready yet. In other case, if you click the back button, the main menu will be shown again. To play an online game, we can create a new online game or join one. To create a new game, click on the Create Game button. The process is very similar with the single-player game, but in this case, before the creation of the game, it must be inserted the port 2000 by default. Then, the game can be created clicking the OK button. Once that's done, the game is frozen until all players are connected. We will see that later. To join an online game, the button Join Game must be clicked. Then a new window will be shown with the name field, the IP and the port of the server. Once these fields are filled correctly, you can click Connect to play an online game. If any of those fields are wrong information, the game will not be connected. Until now, we explored the different menus and types of game. Let's see the game board. In this case, I will create a game. First, I will put my name. Then, I click OK button. Now, I'm waiting for other players to connect. The empty board means that my opponent has arrived. I have to wait until he plays, and once he ends his turn, I will be able to see my hand. Here it is. At the top of the board, there are the buttons to buy cards. If you move the mouse over the button, a preview of the card will be displayed on the top left of the screen to see the description. At the right of the button, there is the amount of that kind of card. And at the left is the cost of the card. At the top right of the screen is the dialog box. There will be represented the actions and messages from the game and other players. The game has three phases. Those are reflected in the button in the bottom left. The button has to be pressed to change phases. I'm in the action phase right now. At the bottom of the board is the player's hand. If you move the cursor over a card, a preview will be displayed at the top left of the screen. If you have an action card in your hand and you are in the action phase, you can play that card by clicking it. Then that card will be moved to the middle of the board. Let's see what I have now. Here I have random cards. None of them are kingdom cards, so I skip the action phase. Now I am in the buy phase. I choose to buy state. Then I click End Buy Phase. And from last, click End Clean Phase. Now I should wait so my opponent plays his hand. Once the game ends, a new window will be displayed to inform if you win or lose. To see it, you should play a game with a partner and try to win. So that is all. Thank you for your time. This has been a demonstration of the game Dominion created by teams Fred 10 and Rio Cuarto 9.